Today we celebrate the solemnity of the most holy body and blood of Christ. This is a reminder for us that He gave us the spiritual food for us to be our food in our spiritual journey. Ang paghatag sa Ginoo, kakalangon, o ilingnon nga espirituhanon. Kini ang atong handumanan nga ang handumanan nga ipilit kanato mao kining Santos na misa. If we can remember, at the Last Supper, He instituted a sacrament of the Eucharist. At the night ng i-recall man ni St. Paul sa iyang sulat in the sa iyang reading, at that night, iyang ibuhat ang maong unang misa, the first Mass, and He said, "Do this in memory of me." So every time mo attend ta og misa, we remember the Lord.